lovely first graders. Let's get into our direct draw this week. We've been reading a lot about the mermaid, so we're going to do a fun direct draw today. Can you guess what we might be drawing? We'll have to find out. So find this paper, please, that's in your folder, and get your pencil out to start. Good. Okay. So the first step, it says to draw the waves at the bottom. But look, the waves are already drawn out for us. So we are going to be drawing the tail coming out of the water. So we are drawing a mermaid today. Did you guess that? Whoa, awesome. Okay, so I'm going to start right here. You can watch me first if you want to. And I'm going to go up and then down. So there's my tail, my mermaid's tail coming out of the water. So you go ahead and do that now. And remember, if I'm going too fast for you, boys and girls, you can push pause on this video. Okay, so now we need to draw the flippers at the top. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw my flipper, which I don't really care for my flipper that I just drew. So I'm going to erase that and redo it. That's why it's super good to use a pencil. So, okay, so I'm going to go like this and then like this. There's my first flipper, and my second flipper will be like that. Okay, so unique. Everybody's mermaid is going to be so unique and different, and that's what makes them amazing. Okay, so then it says begin drawing the scales. So the scales we're going to start drawing here. So I'm going to do, so you know how we've been hopping on the number line for our frogs? That's kind of like what we're going to be doing. So we're going to go here, 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 and here. Just little half circles. Okay, and then we're going to continue drawing those all the way up. Kind of connecting my half circles to the half circles that are below the other ones. You guys are doing fabulous. This is so much fun. I love our direct drawings. Okay. Remember, if I'm going too fast for you, push pause. Okay, so we drew all of the scales. So we need to draw some more waves around the mermaid tail. So I'm going to go like this. Dun, 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 dun. So I'm going to stop there because I'm going to think that the water is this high up on the tail. Okay. Wow. This looks great, but I think adding some color will make it look even better. Okay, get out a black crayon. And if you don't have a black crayon, what can we do to problem solve? Oh, you're right. Maybe get a gray crayon. Get the second darkest color crayon that you have. Okay, so we're going to trace over our pencil lines. I'm gonna make sure I don't break my black crayon this time. I have to not push as hard. A lot of the scales to go over. Mermaid tails are quite fascinating. They look awesome. Okay. I'm not going to trace over my water black because that's not the color of the water. So we're just going to really focus on tracing our mermaid tail and the flippers. Okay, so now we get to color it in. So we want to kind of color in our picture we just drew kind of realistically to what a mermaid tail might actually look like. I'm going to start by shading in the water. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of color in between the two ripples of water. This water is blue. Mm-hmm. This is the best part, being able to add color to our illustration. Okay. All right, and I'm gonna color over my water ripple lines to make sure the viewer of my photo, my drawing, knows that that's probably water because it's blue. Okay, I could color in this area blue, but I think I'm gonna leave that how it is right now. Okay, when you think of a mermaid tail, what do you think a mermaid scales on the tail would look like? I feel like for me, I'm gonna use some green and then probably some blue. So I'm just gonna start coloring in my scales. Probably will change the colors. So go ahead and find the colors that you're gonna color your mermaid scales. You could do whatever you want. Maybe you're gonna color the scales pink. Maybe you're gonna color them blue. Maybe you're gonna color them green. Maybe you're gonna do what I'm gonna doing maybe and change the order of the colors, flip-flopping them green to blue. Looking so good. I'm gonna add some pink. Mermaid has quite a few different colors on her scales today. Awesome job, you guys. We cannot wait to see your mermaid tail. Mrs. Myers and myself love to see your guys' drawings. Make sure you bring it on back so we can look at them. A lot of scales to color in this morning. Wow. almost done coloring in my scales. No rush though. No rush, no rush. Okay. I have to figure out what I am going to color. I have to figure out what I'm going to color my flippers in with. What color am I going to use? I think I'll use one of the colors that I've already used in my mermaid tail scales. So I think I'm going to do pink. What are you going to color your flippers? What color are you going to use? Flipper 1 is done. My flipper number 2 is almost done. Okay, and I'm gonna write my name on the back. Miss E. Okay, so now I'll remember that this one's mine. So here is my mermaid tail. My gosh, that's so cool. I love that we got to use a whole bunch of colors. Okay, so we are so excited to see your mermaid tail, and we will talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.